swag and jumping over your teachers without their bike, Tony. Tony, what's going on? You're supposed to be with the bike, Tony. Anybody could have done that stunt. My grandpa could have done that stunt, everybody. Now, let's see. Tony, you get one last chance. Now, let me ask you guys. Can we give Tony one last chance? Very good. Tony, look how many new friends you have. Okay, they're willing to give you one last chance, no more, just one more, but I have to make it a little bit more difficult for you, Tony. I need to add one more teacher out there. If I may, please have a seat, everybody. We got this covered. We have another teacher. Please come on down. Oh, we have two. Okay, why not? We have room. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now. We have room for one more. Might as well, please. You're volunteering, please. Why not? Everybody understand, he's never done this before, everybody. First time. And now, Tony, get ready. Okay? Everybody stay still. Teachers, thank you very much. Now, get ready. Because Tony is jumping with his bicycle. So let's begin the count. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action! Tony, you didn't even go. I don't even know what to say to that, everybody. Tony, oh my, what can we do now? Let me think, what can we do? Wait, that was his last chance. Tony, that was your last chance. No more. You are being dismissed right now. And let's see, give me an idea. What can we do, guys? Mark, they are calling your name right now. Mark, can you do this? Yes.
This is a little too easy right here. How about let's add one more teacher? Thanks for coming out.
We have room for one more teacher, everybody. And it looks like we are breaking the record. Okay, we started with 2. And then we added 3 more, I believe. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 volunteers, everybody. This time, Mark, I want to make sure you have your hands on the handlebar, feet on the pedals. I got an idea. Can we do a little test? Let's do a test run, everybody. This is only a test, and we'll find out if my good friend, Mr. Mark Rubio, can actually do this trick. Here we go. And begin from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mark, that was good. You just need to go a little bit faster. Got it? Here we go. Teachers, please stay still. Don't move. And everybody,